Hi friends, good evening. Today we discussed about the notification for the SSC CGL. Please subscribe my channel and press notification bell. Whenever we upload new videos, you get the notification. Let's start. Important dates. Starting up, up application form will be 29/12/2020. Last date for application form will be 31st January 2021. Last date for making online payment will be 2/02/2021. Last date for general offline chalana in bank 4/4/2021. Last date for payment to chalana during working days 6/02/2021. Date of trial 1 examination will be 29/05 to 07/06/2021. Next, age limit as the 01/01/2021. The requirement age of various spots will be: first one, for the post of which age limit will be 18 to 27 years. The candidate must have been born 1994 to not later than 2003. In between, second will be the post which limit will be 20 to 27. The candidate must be born not earlier than 1994 and not later than 2001. Next part will the post which age limit will be 20 to 30. It will be 1991 to 2001. Next will be for the post of which age limit will up to 30 years. This one will be the candidate must have been born not earlier than 02/01/1991 and not later than 01/01/2003. So next one, the post for which age limit was up to 32 years. This one will be the candidate must have been born not earlier than 1989 and not later than 2003. Application fees for general 100 rupees, for SC, ST, women's, ex-servicemen nil. Payment will be through debit or credit, SBI Challan, SBI net banking. Selection methods will be totally 4 trials. Trial 1 is a computer based examination. Trial 2 also computer based exam. Trial 3 which is descriptive type, pen and paper mode. Third one will be skill test. Trial 1 subject will be subject, number of questions, maximum marks, time allotted. First one will be general intelligence and reasoning. In this will be 25 marks is there. 25 questions, 50 marks. Next will be B, general awareness. This is also 25 marks, 25 questions and 50 marks. Quantitative aptitude, general comprehension. Total will be 1 hour. 1 hour 20 minutes. Candidate will be eligible for scribe circle 7.1, 7.2 for rules. Next, trial 2 will be, this one will be paper 1. In trial 2 4 papers is there. Paper 1 will be quantitative abilities. That will be 100 questions is there. Total 200 marks. Second will be English language and comprehension. This will be 200 questions is there. 200 marks. Third paper will be statics. The number of questions will be 100. Maximum will be 200 marks. Paper 4 general studies అంటే finance and Econ- economics. Economics. Total number of questions will be 100. Maximum will be 200. Trial 2 will be 2 hours for each paper. Every paper will be 2 hours. 2 hours 40 minutes for the candidates eligible for the describes. In trial 3, pen paper mode. In this pen paper will be described in description paper will be in English language or Hindi language, whatever you want. Written of easy plotters. So maximum mark will be 100 marks. Allotted time will be 1 hour. Trial 4 will be skill test. Next will be examination centers. First you select for the SSC region, state. So central region, eastern region, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, northern region, southern region. Southern region. In south, code is there. Chirala 8011, Guntur 8000, Kakinada 8009, Karnool 8003, Nellore 801. This is for codes. For regional director, staff selection company, second floor for EVK Sampath building, DPA campus, College Road, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, pin code number. This is for south region. So next, thank you friends watching.